Welcome to Asta Jiaxing Production Base. This smart industrial park covers 160 areas. It makes 6 gigawatts of solar panels per year, 3 gigawatts of all-in-one solar storage charging systems per year. To go green, Asta installed a 7.2 megawatt solar power station on its factory roofs. It will produce about 7.2 kilowatt hours of electricity yearly. Over 25 years, it will make 180 million kilowatt hours total. Yearly, it saves about 2,000 to 100 tons of standard coal and reduces CO by about 5,900 tons. Roofs are wasted space if unused. Solar panels protect the roof and cut costs. They let us use our own solar power and save money by using cheaper nighttime electricity. This brings big money savings and helps the environment. It also supports China's dual carbon goals. As a global integrated smart energy solutions provider, our products include solar cells, solar panels, energy storage inverters, battery storage systems, energy management systems, complete smart energy solutions. We offer one-stop service, planning, site visits, design, building, financing, and smart maintenance. Need a power station? Contact us. We'll create custom solutions for you.